Okay, folks, so we're going to do some word equations today to review for our test. So starting with the first one, we have tin and bromine react to form tin to bromide. All right. A metal all by itself. Tin is a metal all by itself. What do we do with metal all by itself? We just write the symbol. So tin all by itself would be Sn plus bromine. Bromine is a non-metal and it's all by itself. Here with the non-metals we have to check the Hofbrinkel list, and bromine is the Br in Hofbrinkel, so this is going to be Br2. Okay? Then we have tin to bromide. So we have Sn and we have Br. This Roman numeral, remember, is the charge of the metal, so tin has a 2+ charge. If we look at our periodic table, we find bromine. Bromine is group 17, so it has a 1- charge. So when we crisscross this, the 2 from the tin goes to the bromine, the 1 from the bromine to the tin. So step 1, done. We wrote our equation is good. Step 2 is to balance our equation. So we have Sn, we have Br. On the left, we have 1 and 2. On the right, we have 1 and 2. This one is already balanced. The last step here is to identify what type of reaction this is. I have an element, and then on the product side, I have one single product. That makes this a synthesis reaction. So a synthesis reaction is one where we have element, and then a single product. All right, let's look at the second one. Let's not look at the second one. The second one is incorrect. All right, strontium sulfite breaks into, so that's our arrow, strontium oxide and sulfur dioxide. Okay, strontium sulfite. ITE means it's a polyatomic ion. So we have strontium, which is a group 2 metal, so 2+ charge. Sulfite, we would look up on our polyatomic ions chart. It is SO3 and it has a 2- charge. We have 2 positive, 2 negative, so no need to crisscross. Then we have our arrow. And we have strontium oxide. IDE means this is just oxygen. So we have SR and O. Strontium was 2+, oxide 2-. So no need to crisscross that one. And then we have sulfur dioxide. That prefix di, that means that's covalent. So this is going to be SO2. Okay? So now we need to balance our equation. So we have SR, S, and O. On the left, I have 1, 1, and 3. On the right, I have 1, 1, careful, 1 plus 2 oxygen is 3. This one is also already balanced. The last thing I need to do is identify the type of reaction. I have a single reactant, and it forms 2 smaller things. So that makes this decomposition. Anytime you start with a single reactant, it's going to be decomposition. All right? So you are going to complete the rest of these equations for your assignment today, and make sure that you are writing out the equations. Remember, metals by themselves are going to be left alone. If you have a non-metal by itself, it's a Hofbrinkel, okay? Or check if it's a Hofbrinkel. All right, so write the equation, balance the equation, and then tell me, is it synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, or double replacement?